BTP, Big Business Technology for Small Business.
Good morning, welcome again to BTP, Michael Jenkin here. Today we're having a bit of a chat with one of our staff members. We have Daniel Carpinelli, account manager here today, and we thought it'd be good to get his point of view on what's going on around him. So let's have a chat with Daniel. I'll flick now. Good morning, Daniel.
Good morning.
Right, Daniel, you've been with us for a little while now, and you've actually been in the industry before and gone away to some other things and come back. So what's one of those things that's struck you since returning to the industry?
I've noticed it's been 15 years since I've been in the industry, and the first thing I noticed was the amount of storage size and backup size required nowadays compared to a few years ago. And also the confusion out there of we have limited avenues to go down, all of us as businesses, but so many options within that. And what I mean by that is server, no server, hybrid, cloud, edge server, all these different things becomes confusing, and all the business owners seem to feel they should know everything about it. And what we've got to remember is 15 years ago or today, IT is just another tool that we use within our businesses to help get our products in one door and out the other to our clients, and hopefully increasing the bottom line.
Well, that's a really cool, deep observation there. That's really good. Look, you joined the team, you become a very, I guess, important, valuable part of the team. Since joining the team, what have you got to say about the BTP team?
The crew here have been very accommodating to me. I'm not a technical person at all. I like the business process side of what IT can do, but I don't like taking the lid off things and getting into it. What I have noticed is they're very caring to all of our clients. They try and come up with the right solutions. They don't overquote, never overcharging. They try and get things done right the first time, and if there are errors, which there are always going to be errors in any industry with any business, they pick up the ball and keep running and get it fixed. And also our meetings in this room, there's a lot of heads together that help everyone sort out each of their issues with different clients.
Look, I think you've summed up the essence there of what we're trying to do here at BTP, and I think you've put it probably more precisely than I could. So thank you for that. Look, it's been great to do this for you today, and for us to get out there and say what we do back at house. Just want to wish everybody out there a fantastic day today. Hopefully no more storms like we've had the last few days. Bit of mopping up still to be done. Beware next week, a bit stormy again, and yeah, check your batteries on your UPSs and things like that. Other than that, check your backups, everything else. We're here, we're still monitoring and maintaining. So if you need us, give us a call. If you like what you saw, share the video and give us a comment. Thanks and have a great day.